This item is a must try for every Jeeper who has ever gone off-roading. It is so easy to do, and it's the best snack to ever have while you're out on the trails, and it tastes so yummy, and it's called a Sammie, and it's a Hot Sammie. So you ask, how do I get a Hot Sammie when I'm out in the middle of nowhere? Your engine is the oven. So here you go, my Hot Sammie. It's not hot yet, but when I get started on the trail ride, it's gonna be tasty and hot. You may be wondering, how am I gonna cook the Sammie in my Jeep? Well, first steps first, let's show you how to make the Sammie. Go get yourself a frozen loaf of garlic bread, some meats, I used ham, cheeses, I used Colby Jack, and you'll need some heavy duty Reynolds wrap. First, you tear yourself off 3 pieces of foil. Then you take your garlic bread, you open it up, and you layer it with the cheese and the ham, or whatever meats and cheeses you like. Then you wrap it up really good with 3 pieces of foil. When you're out on the trails, before you start your trail ride, open up your hood, and you'll place the Sammie in between the battery and the manifold. So I made the Sammie, and Chris is gonna cook the Sammie. But you're gonna have to remove one item. You're gonna have to remove this fancy engine part. Now, this engine part is not necessary for you to run your Jeep. This piece is just for cosmetic looks. So take it off, you don't need it. We didn't want the Sammie to bounce around in the engine, so we zip tied it. So we put the Sammie in the Jeep around 9:30 in the morning, and we went wheeling up and down the trails until about 1:30 when we stopped for our lunch.
I'll walk at every angle.
Ooh. I think it's done.
Smells good.
It what? It tastes like it has blinker fluid?
Yes.
Delicious.